Hello everybody, welcome. It's Caitlin from Shumatt, China, and our company specialized in commercial diesel parts. And now I will show you this one, our inject nozzle. See it together. Okay, firstly is the product name, commercial inject nozzle here. This is brand logo. The quantity here 10 size each pieces, and the label information includes the product code the LL8156P799, the OE number 0934007990, applicable inject number 0950005000, support customized service. The insert packing is like this. And the surface you can see here, the logo and product code DLLA156P799. Needle inside. This one I lost. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.